aí, coronavírus! Vocês estão vendo, né, o que a gente vai jogar, né? Vocês estão vendo? Eu descobri que Harry Stickman tava no sucesso. E eu não tinha o Collection, pois ele não tem pra celular. Eu queria muito que adicionassem ele pra celular. Então, por favor, Puffball. E eu descobri que a Puffball é várias e várias empresas. E cada uma dessas empresas que a Puffball criou um jogo. E eu pensei que o criador do Among Us era o mesmo. Você já pode ver aqui o que a gente vai passar aí. Eu nem sei porque eu tô no jogo. Eu não sei.
I don't need to remind you that we've got you on several charges. Attempted robbery, breaking yourself out of prison, and stealing a Tunisian diamond. We've got quite a lot of counts on you. Do this job right, and we'll drop all charges against you. Charlie here will be bringing you close to the airship. The rest is up to you. Find a way to bring him down, and you'll be a free man. Hey, how you want me to bring you in?
Ok. Eu já passei por alguns finais. Mas eu vou usar o Sneak Hand. Pera aí, eu fiz o negócio errado. Isso. Espero que vocês não estejam ouvindo isso. A Cannonball foi o que não usei.
I've been looking at the numbers here. What do you think? Ah, yes. Let me have a look. Go hold him off. Come on, then.
Ai, meu Deus! O que eu uso? Ah, laser. Meu Deus! Trouxe esse negócio. Oh, não. É a cadeira.
Everyone listen up. We've got security alert. Keep a lookout for a guy with a big plastic ball. No, I'm serious. Hurry up now, activate the doors.
Como é que eu já?
Whoa.
Ai, não.
No, get away! Now I've got you.
Eu nunca joguei esse jogo. Mas vai. Morri. Meu Deus.
Help, help!
Toma.
Listen, you've defeated my right-hand man. Now you've defeated me. I surrender the airship to you. Good work, Henry. Now just get him to us, and you'll get your life back.
Ok. Eu vou usar... míssel. Ok, é uma falha. Eu acho que é.
They're firing on us. Now we can take them down. Return fire.
Ok, vamos lá. Dummies.
You think they're alright? Pretty big fall. I'm sure Henry had a plan. What is it? Henry!
O Drumroll, o criador do Hard School, tá aqui! O quê? Vocês podem ver nos créditos.
Thought I'd give you a heads up. There's a guy down there, a bad guy. So, yeah. Good luck.
Eu já fiz todas as falhas.
job there. Oh, so we should probably look for something incriminating. Something that we can use to prove that they're criminals, you know? I mean, the whole point of this operation.
Alright, gentlemen. We've been tasked with developing new weapons for the clan. Any ideas?
I was kind of thinking.
Olha só o que
Right,
acontece.
so if we go up to 3 caliber... Hey, you there. What do you think you're doing? It's Smith, right? What are you doing here, mate? Your wife's just gone into labour. Take that escape pod behind you. It'll take you right to the hospital. Go ahead. Don't worry. I'll tell the chief.
Falou! Quem não viu, né? Oh, parabéns! Feliz Dia dos Pais! Primeira dimensão. A cola eu sei que é o certo.
Nah, we can't do that. Why not, man? You do realize how much a solid gold cannon would weigh, don't you? Dude, we totally got enough power. What do you think, man? Well, I'm still kind of new here, so I'm not really sure what to say.
Oh, hey, you see that record sign? Where it says records? That'd probably be a good place to look, right? Let me just, help you get across that gap. Huh?
Charlie.
Alright, here I come.
Olha, o Charlie tá ali.
Alright, here it comes.
Foi!
Pardon? Okay, press
I don't think that guy knows how to open the door. Yeah, why don't you let me take care of this?
Understands this.
Yeah. Alright, hacked into their security system. Should be able to open the door from here.
Ele abriu uma porta. Na minha bunda!
Alright, get to bring out the big gun. Hey, you should be good to go now.
Controle de mente.
Wow, this guy really is a moron. Can't believe he doesn't know how to open a door. Whoops.
Falou!
Oh man, I remember this. Good thing nobody knows about this or we'd be in a lot of trouble. Falcon!
Falcon Cake!
Oh man, I remember this. Good thing nobody knows about this or we'd be in a lot of trouble. Oh man, I remember this. Good thing nobody knows about this or we'd be in a lot of trouble. Oh, hello, Mr. Spider.
Nossa!
Alright, you got some evidence. Oh, wait. There's no way you're getting through there. Lots of guys and there's lots of guns, that's all I'm gonna say. It looks like you can get around if you go through that air duct. Alright, I've hacked into their power grid. What do you want me to do?
Desliga a
Okay,
energia.
shutting down the power now. want me to do?
Fazer o som de animal.
Okay. I don't understand what that means.
Faz
Okay.
várias vezes.
I don't understand what that means.
Ok. Eu não preciso da sua ajuda. Eu
I'm
preciso.
sorry, I
mas
just
ok.
thought you needed some help is all. Alright, I've hacked into their power grid. What do you want me to do?
Vai.
Okay, I'll reroute the power to a random room, that's fine.
Isso. Ai, não.
Alright, Henry, you're almost there. I'm right outside, so just open the bay doors and I'll get you on the chopper. Hey! What are you doing?
Yeah, we got a situation down in the cargo bay.
Bora, bora.
Hey, there's a button on your earpiece. You should press it.
What's going? This could be a problem.
Uau! Eu consegui! E o vídeo acaba por aqui. Espero que tenham gostado desse jogo, porque esse jogo é muito diferente pro meu canal. Eu não tinha Harry Stickman Collection, então foi esse mesmo. E falou!